Ingredients to make Cheesecake Factory Oreo Cheesecake. Filling: 1 1/2 pound cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 5 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup flour, 8 ounces sour cream, 5 Oreo cookies, coarsely chopped for the batter, 10 coarsely chopped Oreo cookies for the topping. Crust: 1 1/2 cup Oreo cookie crumbs, about 25 Oreo cookies finely chopped, 2 tablespoon melted butter, 9-inch springform pan, buttered on bottom and sides. To know the preparation procedure for this recipe, visit save3d.com/cook.